If you've ever kicked yourself for not building an app in 2008 when the App Store first launched, listen up. Apple just fired the starting pistol on what analysts are calling the Gold Rush 2.0. The barriers are down, the fees are slashed, and the Wild West of apps is back. Apple has officially launched the Mini App Partner Program, effectively creating a secondary market for lightweight apps that live inside the apps you already use, like Discord, ChatGPT, or Messenger. It's a headline news because Apple is cutting its commissions to 15% to fuel this fire, signaling they want to replicate the multi-billion-dollar super app economy seen in China within WeChat. This is the biggest shift in the app economy in over a decade. What do you think, John?
Yeah, I've been having trouble wrapping my head around what this actually means, because it was when I was trying to understand it, it was saying, it gave me an example, like instead of downloading a separate Spotify app, you would Spotify directly inside your messaging app, or booking a hotel inside ChatGPT without ever leaving the conversation. So what you're describing as far as the Wild West of people being able to develop mini apps, I'm not understanding yet. Like, I get WeChat. WeChat is awesome. It keeps people inside the one ecosystem. And I know Grok was trying to do that. So I'm just trying to wrap my head around like how people are going to be able to develop mini apps within these large like platforms like Instagram or WhatsApp, because I would think that Meta would be kind of hindering that. Or am I just not understanding it right?
Well, maybe I'll just give you my understanding, and maybe that'll help, maybe it won't. So yeah. I would say keep an eye on your big three, like Discord, Telegram, and ChatGPT. The platforms most likely integrate this first. So like you go in your ChatGPT app and there's app inside there, or you go into Telegram and there's an app inside Telegram to do something, whether that's, create an emoji, or based on this conversation, send the Venmo money we just agreed to, or all of a sudden you can now plug in apps inside apps. And so I can say, here's the top 3 Telegram apps to help you get rid of the spammers, connect with people properly, and receive money. I don't know, I'm just making that up. But there are apps that exist inside of Telegram that connect your other apps or whatnot. They don't necessarily apps that stand alone.
So what you're saying is the apps within WeChat aren't developed by WeChat. They're developed by third party, some of them?
Correct.
Okay. So that's where I wasn't understanding it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And so now we've opened this up. You're not just developing for iOS, you're developing apps for apps inside there, and which means that the ecosystem is completely opened up again. And we'll have to see what rules and stuff they put in place. But with all the AI coding tools and whatnot in place, this sounds to me like it's a great time to get into building new apps. And now that Apple's only taken 15%, not 30%, that's also nicer.
Oh, well, how nice of them. They're only taking 15%. There's even a platform, by the way, that we haven't talked about offline even, that will automatically build you native iOS and Android apps now.
Great. There's a few of them out there, but I'm really interested in looking at this. Developers must implement several key technologies to participate in advanced commerce API, declared age rating API, and Apple in-purchase integration. Yeah. So there's a few things they got to include, but it's interesting. When you start getting your head around this, I think it'll be very interesting to see what happens.
For sure. Yeah.
So I think if you regretted it and you're a developer, now's the time to start really thinking out of the box and what kind of apps, mini apps, or like I'm going to say, for lack of a better word, app-to-app apps inside that you want to build that will allow you to do things. So the original App Store created the gig economy. This update aims to create a creator economy of software, tiny bite-sized apps for everyone. Is it a true revolution or just a chaotic mess? We're about to find out. Let us know what you think about these mini apps, or will you be developing, or you prefer an old way? What do you got going on, John?
Yeah, just gearing up. Is this coming out in December?
Yeah, December might even be January now, actually.
Okay, gearing up for the holidays or gearing down for the holidays. So planning out my next few months and getting ramping up for shred season. How about you, Craig?
Well, we're wrapping up 2025 and planning 2026. So this is probably too late for the start of Investor Drinks and Flowgrammer events in December, but take a look for them in January. There's always stuff going on. Check out torontostarts.com for our startup and business related events and resources. And check out flowgrammer.ca for our business and AI automation information if you're looking for that. And if you're a builder in Toronto and you want to join the Flowgrammer Builders Club, head over to flowgrammers.ca. That website is live now. Go check it out. Join us at our live events. We do online stuff. We do live office hours every week. Go over there and sign up. There's downloaded workflows and tools you can test and play with. So check all that stuff out. But John, if people are looking for non-dilutive funding, where do they go?
Yeah, come find me on LinkedIn. I've got a link. You can book some time with me or send me a message so that we can have a conversation first. But find me on LinkedIn, John Irwin, no H. But if you need help with your business overall, with your startup, how do they get in touch with you, Craig?
Head over to startupcoach.ca or torontostarts.com and just book a call with me and get a discovery call, find out what's going on and get you motivated. If you're not interested in that, come out to one of our events, talk to other founders and whatnot, and just talk to people. It really is knowing that you're not alone can motivate you a lot. But other than that, give us a call or book a meeting over at torontostarts.com. And thanks everyone for listening or watching, and hope to talk to you again soon.